subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any video updation from Sairam IAS. And join the official Telegram channel of Sairam IAS for PDF updation.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sairam IAS. This will be 6th video of Opsc prelims question discussion. So far, we have done our polity, environment, economics, geography and history question discussion. In today's video, we'll try to analysis question of general science. So let's begin our discussion. Question number 82 says that bats use dash to navigate and find food. A. Resonance, B. Magnetoreception, C. Electroreception and D. Echolocation. As you know, bats produce echolocation by emitting high frequency sound pulses through their mouth or nose and listening the echo. So the correct answer will be D. Echolocation. Question number 84. Television signals are frequency modulated, B. Amplitude modulated, C. Both frequency and amplitude modulated and D. Phase modulated. See, the main difference between both modulation is that in frequency modulated or amplitude modulated, the frequency modulated of the carrier wave is modified as per the transmitted data. However, in amplitude modulated, when in amplitude modulation, the carrier wave is modified according to the data. So the correct answer will be C. Both frequency and amplitude modulated. Next, move to the next question. Question number 85. Electric energy converted into mechanic energy in. नाम से समझ में आ रहा इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी है. So correct answer will be electric motor. An electric motor convert electric energy into mechanical energy. And in case of a generator, it convert mechanical energy to electric energy. So correct answer will be C. Electric motor. Question number 86. A light year is distance light travel in 1 Earth year. And 1 light year is about 6 trillion miles, or you can say 9.5 trillion kilometer. 1 light year is equal to distance that light travel in 1 year in free space. So the correct answer will be A. Question number 87 says that bleeding from nose is caused when person is there at option A, higher altitude where atmospheric pressure is low, lower altitude where atmospheric pressure is high, normal altitude where atmospheric pressure is high, and D, no effect of altitude. As you know, in high altitude, as altitude increase, the availability of oxygen decreases, which lead to making the air thinner and drier, and which lead to the dryness can cause nose to bleed. So the correct answer will be A, higher altitude where atmospheric pressure is low. Question number 88. The main component of biogas is, very simple question, that is methane. Biogas is primarily composed of methane, carbon dioxide and trace amount of nitrogen, hydrogen and carbon monoxide as well. So it occurs naturally in composed of heaps as swampy gas and as a result of enteric fermentation in cattle and other ruminants. So the correct answer will be C. methane. Question number 89. Subatomic particle are electrons, protons, neutrons. Subatomic particle also called as elementary particle. Elementary particle. Atoms are made of a proton, neutron, and electron, and also known as subatomic particle because an atom is neutral. The number of electron is equal to number of proton. So the correct answer will be D. All of these. Question number 90. Carbon monoxide is poisonous gas because option A, bind to digestive hormones, B, damage lungs, C, destroy RBC, red blood cell, and D, binds the hemoglobin. जैसे कि हमें पता है कार्बन जो मोनोक्साइड है इट इज एन ऑर्डरलेस एंड कलरलेस और कलरलेस gas that bind the hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide is considered highly poisonous because it combines with hemoglobin in the blood of a human body. It ultimately decreases the oxygen carrying capacity of a blood. So the correct answer will be D, binds to hemoglobin. Question number 91. Which is not a synthetic polymers? Option A, PVC, B, nylon, C, polystyrene, and D, resin. Synthetic polymers are derived from petroleum oil and made by scientists and engineers. And the example of synthetic polymers are nylon and polyethylene, polyester, टेफ्लॉन एंड एपॉक्सी. सो अगर ऑप्शन के हिसाब से देखें तो नाइलॉन को एलिमिनेट कर देंगे क्योंकि नॉट सिंथेटिक पॉलीमर कह रहा है. सो ये तो सिंथेटिक पॉलीमर्स हैं, पॉलिस्टीरीन है. अब ऑप्शन ए पीवीसी एंड डी रेसिन बच गया. सो पीवीसी इज पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड है, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड पीवीसी, and it is the world third most widely produced synthetic plastic polymer, and about 40 million tons of PVC are produced each year. So the correct answer will be A, PVC. Question number 92. Bee sting caused severe pain and burning sensation due to presence of A, acetic acid, B, sulfuric acid, C, citric acid, and D, methanoic acid. अब फॉर्मिक एसिड के नाम सुना होगा. फॉर्मिक एसिड is common name used for the carboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid is also known as methanoic acid, and the formula of methanoic acid is CH2O2. So the correct answer will be D, methanoic acid. Question number 93 says that albinism is caused due to the deficiency of an A, hormone, B, enzyme, C, vitamin, and D, metals. See, the disease of albinism is caused by deficiency of tyrosinase enzyme. It is an enzyme, and albinism is an inherited disorder that is characterized by little or no production of pigment melanin due to the lack of a tyrosine enzyme. So option C is, sorry, not C, B is right answer. Question number 94. In ballpoint pens, dyes used are A, water based, B, alcohol based, C, glycerin based, and D, oil based. See, the most common of the oil are benzyl alcohol, or you can say benzyl alcohol, or you can say phenoxyethanol, which mix with pigments or dyes pigments or dyes to create the smooth, vibrant ink that dries quickly. So the correct answer will be D, oil based. Question number 95 says that which one of the following colors is least deviated by glass prism? Green, रेड, वायलेट, ऑरेंज। ज्योग्राफी में हमने जब सोलर सिस्टम पढ़ा था तब हमने विबग्योर के बारे में पढ़ा था। वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज एंड रेड। और हमने वेवलेंथ एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी के बारे में पढ़ा था। एंड वेवलेंथ एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। इन स्पेक्ट्रम रेड लाइट हैज लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ, जो रेड लाइट है उसकी लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ है, and the least frequency. Least frequency means least deviation. Whereas the violet has the shortest wavelength and the highest frequency means maximum deviation. So among all the colors in visible spectrum, that is VBGOR, as we go from red to violet means from top to bottom, the wavelength keep on decreasing while the frequency keep on increasing. वेवलेंथ डिक्रीज होता जाएगा लेकिन फ्रीक्वेंसी इंक्रीज होता जाएगा। Thus among the given color, red would be least deviated by prism. So correct answer will be red. Question number 96. Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of A. brinjal, B. banana, C. people and D. banyan. C. Ficus bengalensis is common name as banyan. And banyan fig and Indian banyan, you can say, is a tree native to Indian subcontinent. Specimen in India are among the largest tree in the world by canopy coverage. आप देखोगे इस ट्री का रोड के हिसाब से इसकी जो कैनोपी है, जितना एरिया वो कवर किया है वो बहुत ज्यादा है। तो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी डी, बनियान। नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 97। स्पायरोगायरा इज काइंड ऑफ, ऑप्शन ए अल्गी, बी फंगी, सी बैक्टीरिया, डी वायरस। सी स्पायरोगायरा आर फ्री फ्लोटिंग ग्रीन algae that present in fresh water। ये हमने कोरल रीफ्स में, सॉरी एनवायरमेंट में जो टॉपिक पढ़ा था वाटर पोल्यूशन, तब हमने डिस्कस किया था। सो फ्रेश वाटर हैबिटेट सच एज पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, यहाँ सब में, इन सब में पाए जाते हैं। पॉन्ड्स हो गया, लेक्स हो गया, यहाँ ये सब पाए जाते हैं। स्पायरोगारा आर कॉमनली नोन एज वाटर सिल्क और यू कैन से पॉन्ड सिल्क। वाटर सिल्क और पॉन्ड सिल्क के नाम से ही जाना जाता है। सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ए, algae। Which question number 98, which of the following substance is not a synthetic? Option A fibroin, B lexan, C nephroin, D teflon। C fibroin तो डाउट है थोड़ा सा, because fibroin has been widely used in to turn out metal of medical equipment or medical application. So right answer will be A, fibroin। Question number 99 says that change in the base of sequence within a gene is called। सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। जब हमने डीएनए डिस्कस किया था बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में, तो उसके अंदर हमने देखा था डीएनए एक क्या है, डबल स्टैंडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर है, और आरएनए क्या है, सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर है। तो उसके अंदर हमने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, मैसेंजर आरएनए ये सब डिस्कस किया था। सो क्लोनिंग तो नहीं है, क्योंकि क्लोनिंग जो है वो कॉपी का काम करता है। एंड म्यूटेशन जो है, नाम से समझ में आ रहा है कि म्यूटेशन मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना। सो चेंज इन द बेस ऑफ सीक्वेंस विद इन अ जीन इज कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन। सो आंसर ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, हिप्सोमीटर इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द प्रेशर ऑफ गैस, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लिक्विड्स, लेवल ऑफ ह्यूमिडिटी, डेप्थ ऑफ ओशन। तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है, कंट्रोवर्सी है क्वेश्चन में। प्रेशर गैस तो नहीं है और लेवल ऑफ ह्यूमिडिटी नहीं है, बट कंफ्यूज है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लिक्विड्स एंड डेप्थ ऑफ ओशन। सो कोई कह नहीं सकते कि आंसर तो मेरे को बी लग रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बट देखते हैं ऑफिशियल आंसर क्या आ रहा है। सो इस तरह से साइंस के जितने सारे क्वेश्चन है वो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है। इस वीडियो में इतने डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।